Hello there. In my previous video on basic filter tool, I was teaching you how to use the filter by going to the data tab and clicking on the funnel. But there is a shortcut to achieve this faster. That is Ctrl Shift L. You have all the drop downs coming up, just like how you clicked on the funnel. Now if you want to remove the filter, you can use the same shortcut key, that is Ctrl Shift L. Now let's say if you want to use the drop down without using the mouse, you can again use your keyboard shortcut key, that's Alt down arrow. You have the drop down appearing now. Now let's say you want to select crocodile and elephant alone. Use the down arrow until you reach select all. Hit spacebar to unselect everything. Now go down, you reach crocodile, you hit on spacebar. Now we need elephant as well. You go down again, hit the spacebar, hit enter, you have elephant and crocodile. If you do think this is useful, please do share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.